This is a historic account of how Abdu'l-Baha treated his enemies. When Abdu'l-Baha came to Akka, there lived there a certain man from Afghanistan, an austere and rigid Muslim. To him, Abdu'l-Baha was a heretic. He felt and nourished a great enmity towards Abdu'l-Baha and roused up others against him. When opportunity offered in gatherings of the people, as in the mosque, he denounced him with bitter words. "This man," he said to all, "is an impostor. Why do you speak to him? Why do you have dealings with him?" And when he passed Abdu'l-Baha on the street, he was careful to hold his robe before his face, that his sight might not be defiled. Thus did the Afghan. Abdu'l-Baha, however, did thus. The Afghan was poor and lived in a mosque. He was frequently in need of food and clothing. Abdu'l-Baha sent him both. These he accepted, but without thanks. He fell sick. Abdu'l-Baha took him to a physician, gave him food, medicine, money. These also he accepted, but as he held out one hand that the physician might take his pulse, with the other he held his cloak before his face, that he might not look upon Abdu'l-Baha. For 24 years, Abdu'l-Baha continued his kindness, and the Afghan persisted in his enmity. Then at last, one day, the Afghan came to Abdu'l-Baha's door and fell down, penitent and weeping at his feet. "Forgive me, sir," he cried. "For 24 years I have done evil to you. For 24 years you have done good to me. Now I know that I have been in the wrong." Abdu'l-Baha bade him rise, and they became friends. Abdu'l-Baha is as simple as his soul is great. He claims nothing for himself, neither comfort, nor honor, nor repose. 3 or 4 hours of sleep suffice him. All the remainder of his time and all of his strength are given to the succor of those who suffer, in spirit or in body. "I am," he says, "the servant of God." Such is Abdu'l-Baha of Akka. In the Baha'i Faith, Abdu'l-Baha is designated as the exemplar of the faith. Not only is he an example to our generation, but is a depiction of the eventual rebirth of the human race, a race mature enough to exercise humility and generosity of spirit. This transformation began with the advent of the Bab, reached its fulfillment through Baha'u'llah's ministry, and continues today through you and I, if we are willing. Let us therefore follow in the footsteps of the exemplar, and strive to further the advancement of the human race through a stubborn kindness that doesn't distinguish between friend or foe.